Hi guys, I want to share with you the stuff which I am doing in order to keep my immune system strong. I always do that, and especially now when there is coronavirus out there. So also when I am sick, when I have flu or anything like that, I always do that. This is disgusting drink, but it boosts your immune system so much. So first of all, you have to buy ginger, turmeric, lemon and garlic. Yes, you have heard me right, garlic. It's a disgusting drink, but it can boost your immune system a lot. What you gonna do?
Take 2 lemons and a small piece of ginger, juice squeezer, and start squeezing juice out of lemons. I usually squeeze all possible juice out of lemons. I'm not leaving anything in there. Now you can see the result of my hard work. Then we take ginger, we peel it properly. Yes, I have to admit, you have to be very patient because it is pretty hard to peel off the skin from ginger. Now we are taking the grater and we start grating it. You have to bear in mind that it is ginger root. The word means root, so it has lots of hair, let's say, but yes, I have to admit that it will take lots of time. It took me approximately half an hour to grate all that ginger, and now we will be mixing it with lemon juice and your drink is ready. So you can put it in the fridge and you can keep it in the fridge for 3, 4, 5 days.